Isabel, thank you for inviting me on to the Dominican Republic stand. Now, people know that the Dominican Republic is part of the Caribbean. But I think, there's a lot of education needed to tell people just what an impressive meetings destination you are. Because first of all, I know there's a lot of infrastructural development going on, isn't there?
Yes, and thank you for having me. Yeah, exactly as you said, the idea to be here at ABTAM and be part of some other trade shows that are oriented to group is the idea to offer the Dominican Republic as another option, not just the sun and the beach and the leisure. The leisure is fine, it's part of it, and we need it. But also what the structures and the facilities that we can offer to group, not only on the hotel sides, but also complementary excursions and activities and venues that people will be able to make. At the hotels, of course, a majority of the hotels in the destination are all-inclusive, but part of it, the hotels are also available to do a lot of activities for the groups, besides meetings or a dinner or a cocktail party, theme parties or theme dinners. Also, the very well location geographically of the destination, with the majority of the airlines traveling into the Dominican Republic, and not only from America, but also from Europe.
Wow.
Airlines like Condor or even British from London flies directly to Punta Cana. We also have major airlines like American Airlines or United Airlines connecting throughout the United States or even outside. Airlines like Delta. So that will give you the idea that the destination can offer a lot due to the fact of the airlift facilities, which is very important for a group, a meeting planner or a convention, a congress. It is very important for everybody how to get to the destination and how easy will be to get to the destination. Now that we have in our stand, we have 10 different companies. We have hotels, but we also have DMCs that can offer the different facilities and services to the groups. So they are also will be connecting, and not only for a group of next year, but for the rest. So positioning the Dominican Republic, because you or somebody as a meeting planner, if I do the first group to the Dominican Republic and I felt so comfortable, and it was what I expected for the next time. Of course, I will also think in the Dominican Republic for a group.
Exciting. Isabel, thanks for talking to me.
No, thanks to you, Jan. Thank you for the time.